dominant platforms, think of Amazon or Booking.com, usually charge high commission fees and also apply the so-called price parity clauses. Following these clauses, sellers cannot lower prices elsewhere. Platforms claim that price parity clauses are fundamental for their business to avoid what is called showrooming, so consumers trading with sellers bypassing the platform. However, different regulators and also competition authorities believe that price parity clauses may be responsible for inciting high commission fees, producing therefore an increase of final prices, and also reinforcing the position of these big platforms. For this reason, price parity clauses were banned in many countries, and in this paper we want to investigate whether the removal of price parity clauses produce tangible results in terms of price reductions specifically on the platform. And to this aim, we consider policy change, Macron law, that banned price parity clauses in France starting August 2015. We collected data from hotels offering rooms on Booking.com in Corsica and Sardinia before and after Macron law was introduced in 2015. The two islands are very similar, close to each other, yet belong to countries taking action at different times versus price parity clauses. Given that France removed these clauses in 2015, Italy only in 2017. This is why, by collecting data between 2014 and 2016, it was possible to perform a diff analysis to examine whether hotel prices in our sample of French hotels declined significantly in comparison to our sample of Italian hotels. Our results suggest a short-run price reduction by 2.6%, which is remarkable, as it occurred only after a few weeks from the policy intervention. Our results are less striking in the medium run, given that hotels declined their prices on Booking.com by only 1.6% on average. However, it was possible to observe a more positive response by chain hotels and highly rated hotels, given that chain hotels reduced their prices by almost 11% and three-star hotels by almost 12%. Our main result indicates that eliminating price parity clauses may not be sufficient if not complemented with other provisions. Why? Well, because our results in the medium run identify a price reduction only for, let's say, organized units such as chain hotels that were able to renegotiate the commission fee with the platform. For small independent hotels, it was much more difficult to price differentiate, reducing prices elsewhere, or renegotiating the contractual fees with the platform. Also, there is evidence of different strategies adopted by platforms in order to penalize those hotels that reduce prices elsewhere. One is called dimming, reducing the visibility for those hotels not respecting price parity clauses. This is why price parity clauses may de facto still be in place, and a policy mandating more transparency in combination with banning price parity clauses should be adopted. A final point, different regulators are thinking of ex-ante provisions such as limiting the amount of the commission fees charged by platform. An example, in the US, different cities imposed a limit of 15% for food delivery apps.